I want to give you a review of this nifty Growler 100-foot hose they sent to me. Really appreciate that. And pulling out of the box here, what I really notice is that the hose is very soft. It's very, you can move around easily. It's not like hard like some of the other hoses. And it's, you know, they say it's kink free, leak free, and no worries. And this is an upgraded flow design they have. And this is the fittings on it is solid brass. They give you a nice carry bag to put the hose into when it's not in use. They give you extra little seals for the hose itself to protect it to keep water from leaking out. So let's look at the hose right now and let's hook it up. So then, you know, look at the hose here. You can tell it moves around very pliably. It's not going to get stuck here, and it's how it comes, which is really nice. And it's a solid brass fitting, which is great as well. And it just hooks up to your regular faucet, like so. That's it. And on the other side of it, we have, this is a 100-foot hose here, guys. Really, we're gonna walk 100 feet here. This is the other side of solid brass with a valve to turn it on and off. Quite nice. We'll turn the hose on. You can see it turning on. And right now, as the water's off, it can turn on. You see the water is coming on now by opening it up. It's nice. I love this valve. I can shut it off. So that's something I really appreciate that having on a hose. We're going to connect the little sprayer now. And this is nice because I have the valve turned off. I can connect the hose spray. And I'm not getting wet, or I'm not turning the hose off, or having to kink the hose to hold the water shut. This is very nice. Let's walk now. We're gonna go 100 feet. May have to pause it. So now we're gonna walk 100 feet now. Turn the water on. So there's, you see how the hose is unkinking itself? Very nice. Rolling it up goes very quickly and smoothly. Like the other hoses, as you get up to 100 feet, I think it gets heavy. It is not that heavy, honestly. It's not bulky like some of these other hoses that I've been using, which is quite nice. I do like the solid brass connectors on it. That is quite nice. And it's just, I'm gonna put it in the bag they provide because it's wintertime here and I store my hoses away for the winter. But I'll be using it during the spring and summertime. But here's the hose wrapped up here, fit nicely in the bag. It went in very smoothly, no issues whatsoever. And hey, it's a green bag. You'll never miss this at all in the garage or somewhere else. I definitely would recommend this hose.